going on? I think I recognize you. We're a little ways from there, aren't we? Well, here we are, taking a break. Time to eat some more food. That was a booger coming through there. It was all real soft. But we pulled on through. And this is where we gotta go. Right up that way, more soft stuff. Time for another break. It's where we came from. We've been about 14 miles today so far. And now this is the new highway they're building, and that's the way we gotta go. We got 17 miles in today so far. Taking a little break. Walking that away. Well, we made it to another truck stop type of thing. There's 10 Highway over there. We gotta resupply, get some ice. Well, we decided to grab a motel out there. There's our canoes. There's the mini mart. $45 for a night. That's pretty cool. Well, here's the room. Number 7, my favorite number. Very nice. Fancy. Nice big TV, air conditioning. Finally got myself on camera. This will work. Checking our air pressures. What you got? 22. Need to put a little bit more in there. Get our air pressures all squared away, and then there's a motel we stayed at, and we'll get back on that highway and head on back west on 10. Well, here we are. Walked just a couple miles and come up on some more road construction. They got rebar blade all the way. We can walk right beside it though. All the way down. Whew, that was hard. See what we had to do here? We were walking along right here. Had to turn around, go back, then up the exit ramp there, up to here. Now we're going to cross over and go down that frontage road on the other side. There's all a bunch of construction down there, so we got lucky. There's a frontage road on the other side there, so we'll just take it. Check it out. Truck there is full of concrete. And what they do is they're making it across here. Making it right over there. Then taking it on down to the site down there and making a highway. Come from that way. Walking on up the frontage. They're doing. You can see them. Making that new highway. Dumping the concrete in the little machine there. Well, frontage road ended over there. And so we had to go alongside 10 in this raw asphalt crap. It's stuck to everything. So we gotta sit here and get it off our tires. I don't know if you can see that, but it's just caked on our tires and our shoes. So we're gonna sit here. I gotta fix this. That's about ready to come off. Once we do that, then we'll head on west, right down 10. Here we are taking a break. We got 13 miles in today so far. And that's the way we gotta go. Plenty of daylight left. Taking a little break. We got a couple more miles in. Walking on down 10. That away. Big old long stretch, nothing. It's about 90 degrees. Kind of hot. Where's that sun? It's still up there. We got quite a bit of light left. Well, here we are. Just got through eating some supper. Peanut butter and jelly. Some oranges. 18 miles in today, and the sun's going down. We got another hour to go. We come from that way, going this way on 10. You can almost see El Paso. Sun went down. This is our camp. Right alongside the highway. See if we get busted. We've gone, what, a little over 18 miles today? 19 miles today. You can almost see the mountains in the background. El Paso's right there. Right at the foot of the mountains. And we got to go around it and then up that way. $30.57. 3,057 miles. Not bad. There's the sunrise. Packing up our stuff. Getting ready to head out. Going that way. Here we are at a rest stop. We got about 3 miles in this morning. Jared had to use the bathroom. Birds drinking out of the fountain.